Tamil food served on unique leaves, a culinary tradition. Now that's something truly unique and exciting. The Tamils, known for their rich cultural heritage and vibrant traditions, have a distinct way of presenting their delicious cuisine. One of the most fascinating aspects of Tamil cuisine is the use of different leaves as a serving vessel. It not only adds a touch of authenticity but also enhances the flavors of the food. The Tamils have a long-standing culinary tradition of using various leaves to wrap their food while traveling. For instance, tamarind rice can last for up to 3 days, so people used to wrap it in leaves when traveling or on pilgrimage. I don't think you've tried the tamarind rice before. Once you taste it, you'll wonder why restaurants or supermarkets don't serve it. Not only that, there are so many varieties Tamils can share with you, including the rice curry, Sir's curry, referring to the curries the colonial officials liked, deviled prawn, deviled beef, deviled chicken, etc. Picture this: a banana leaf spread out before you, filled to the brim with an assortment of mouth-watering dishes. From fluffy rice and aromatic sambar to crispy papadum and tangy chutneys or sambals, every bite promises to be a burst of incredible flavors. The vibrant green color of the leaf serves as the perfect backdrop for the colorful array of dishes. It's like a visual feast before you even begin to indulge in the culinary delights. But it doesn't stop there. Tamils also use other leaves like jackfruit leaves, plantain leaves, lotus leaves, palmyra tree leaves, portia tree leaves, and even betel leaves to serve their food. Each leaf imparts its unique aroma and taste to the dishes, adding an extra layer of complexity to the meal. It's like a symphony of flavors dancing on your taste buds, leaving you wanting more. Not only is serving food on leaves an age-old tradition in Tamil culture, but it also holds deep significance. It is believed that eating on a banana leaf has several health benefits. The natural oils from the leaf seep into the food, making it more digestible and nutritious. Additionally, the antibacterial properties of the leaf help in keeping the food fresh and hygienic. So, if you ever get a chance to experience Tamil cuisine, make sure you savor the unique experience of eating on leaves. It's not just about the food, but also about immersing yourself in the rich cultural tapestry that Tamils have to offer. Some snacks, such as dumplings, are prepared by wrapping the ingredients in a leaf and then steaming them before serving. This method is used to impart a unique flavor to the snack. Throughout history, Tamils in their habitats visited butcher shops, where they would encase meat in leaves before taking it home for cooking. Interestingly, this age-old practice is making a comeback in response to the prohibition of plastic bags. The Tamil Portuguese seafood soup, a unique one to the Jaffna Peninsula, is traditionally consumed in vessels made of palmyra tree leaf. Some people use these vessels to serve food too. The development of lampreys during the Dutch colonial era. Lampreys was an innovative concept introduced by the Dutch, part of the idea rooted in the Javanese tradition, another Dutch colony, but further developed with Tamil curries ideas on the island of Ceylon. The Javanese community had a significant presence in the Jaffna Peninsula during Dutch rule, particularly in a town called Javakatcheri, now Chavakatcheri, known for the market where Javanese traders sold their products. This culinary delight was exceptionally popular among the Dutch descendants, locally known as burgers. Initially considered a highly expensive dish, it was a taste reserved for those who could afford such luxury. Over time, its popularity has grown, and while it has become more common, it still retains its premium status compared to dishes like biryani. Today, lampreys has become a beloved dish across Sri Lanka and within the diaspora. During the Dutch colonial period, a luxurious dish known as lampreys in English, was developed, and it continues to enjoy popularity to this day. Originally prepared with pork by the Dutch, the modern version substitutes chicken. The meal is accompanied by a variety of side dishes, and the special yellow rice, which is time-consuming to prepare, contributes to its high cost, making it accessible primarily to the upper class in society. The cooked ingredients are wrapped in banana leaves and then baked in an oven, imparting a distinct flavor and essentially turning it into a double-cooked dish. When the dish is presented as a parcel and you unwrap it, the enticing aroma and flavor, still fresh from the oven, will captivate your senses. The highly popular Dutch Tamil dish can now be found in the West, thanks to the Tamil diaspora who prepare and serve it. Besides lampreys, the food parcel offers an exciting experience. Typically, you'd select a meal with its featured curry. The main component of the fish curry meal is fish, and the same goes for the mutton curry meal. However, you may not know what side curries accompany, typically white curries, until you open the parcel. This is an exciting part. In Hindu temples, the pirasad, resembling Holy Communion, is enclosed in leaves and distributed during religious ceremonies. The leaves will be used as food for the cattle, eliminating any waste. Trust me, your taste buds will thank you for this unforgettable culinary adventure. Please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.